Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to export heart rate data from Strava. So actually you need to do the first step. Before, what I want to do is to go into your profile right here on the top right corner, and after that I want to head over into settings, the third option right here, and after that I want you to go into the data permissions, and I want to make sure that you give the access to the data permission or the health related data. Alright, so I want you to go back into your Strava homepage, and right here I want to go into training and my activities. Alright, so right here I just want to go into the activity that you want to export the heart rate from. And okay, so I have a source right here because I have no activities on this account, so it should be the GPS export. So how or where you can find it? Once you go into the activity that you want to export the heart rate data from, you will have the option on the segments. So you should click on segments, and then you will have several or multiple options. I want to go into export GPX, sorry, and right here you need just to go and click on export, and yeah, it will be exported. If it include the heart rate, also the heart rate will be uploaded on your Strava by using one of the devices that calculates the heart rate, like Garmin or the Apple Watch. So that's it. That's how to export heart rate data from Strava. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.